This video provides detailed instructions on using the Figma Cursor Convert Assistant. This application is designed to automatically convert the Figma details to cursor content. The agent supports the following features. 1. Detailed explanation of each UI component and features on the UI design. 2. Provide view framework implementation details for each component. 3. Give instructions for saving page data into a database. Enter details about the Figma or UI designs, including all features, components, and layout details. Input any additional context or information that can help in understanding the UI design. Enter the URL of the page that the website should resemble. Initiate a conversation by clicking on Start Chat. Upload the UI design file via clicking on attachment icon, Local Upload. The image will be displayed within input box after successfully upload. Then please provide the convert command. For example, provide instructions for converting based on variables and image upload. The agent will follow the workflow preset to execute the command. The answer can divide into 3 main parts based on the 3 features. First is components and features identification and explanation from step 1 to step 3. Second is the view framework implementation details from step 4 to step 6. It provides outline of the structure, explains how to organize the view components into web application components, and gives the guidance on how to style these components. The final part is providing the instruction on saving data from web page into database, specifying the database structure and any relevant fields. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use Figma Cursor Convert Assistant.